Hey guys, real quick, I was gonna tell you about how to sharpen and prep your whetstone to sharpen a pocket knife. To prep a whetstone, you soak it and you rinse it in water. As you can see, I have a lot of buildup on my whetstone, so I'm gonna go rinse this off and clean it up a little bit. So this is a knife that we will be sharpening, and make sure that your whetstone is properly prepped. And I'm doing this out of order. Busted up and destroyed that blade is. So we're gonna go ahead and sharpen it. So the best thing to do is you wanna see how steep is that angle on the blade, and then you want to drag it. Just simply take it until you find the angle that you want it, drag. And do it nice and slow. And you kind of want to pull towards yourself as well, kind of like you're cutting something.